Every study suggests that 95% of traders are unprofitable, and from my experience, that mostly comes down to this one misunderstanding. And that's that trading is a business. Not metaphorically, it literally is a business. Your losses are just a business expense, your account is your inventory, you run on a repeatable system, and that is literally all it is. But the industry has completely lost this because it's pretty much just turned into a dopamine farm where nobody even stops to think to take it seriously. And before I continue, there is a massive difference between caring about trading and actually taking it seriously. Like, I believe that you watching right now care about trading. I bet you've watched tens, hundreds, maybe even thousands of hours of trading content. You've probably got your own system, you've probably back tested it through years of data, maybe even bettered your psychology a bunch, but are you actually journaling? Are you actually tracking all of your trades, all of your back tests and getting data from it? Are you improving every single day? You know, maybe you recently blew a prop firm challenge. That is completely fine, that happens. But did you then debrief? Did you check your trades, see what went well, what didn't go well? Or did you just buy another one straight away? Because I mean, I've done all that. I've been through these phases. I've got years of documentation on this channel of my entire trading journey. But managing to actually act on and do the right things in those situations is the difference between just treating trading like a quick side hustle versus an actual business. Once again, taking losses is completely normal. It's just a business expense. That's all you should see it as. P&L, yes, it's important, but your risk management is even more important. If you're focusing on the wrong things, you're going to make some bad decisions. And I mean, if a business doesn't manage their capital right and make good rational decisions, they'll shut down. And doing that same thing will also blow your account. So it is very important that you're actually taking it seriously and treating it like your business. And it's the same with anything else. You can say you care about the gym, you can say you want to get in shape, you can even turn up consistently to the gym, but if you're not doing the right things, you're not eating right, you're not repping till failure, you're still not going to see results. Yes, you care about it, yes, you're turning up, but you're not really taking it that seriously. If you're coming to the markets, but you're not journaling, you're not risking properly, and you're not gathering data, then you won't see results, and it's as simple as that. And the thing is, your competition for people actually even doing this is extremely low, so actually take it seriously, go all in on this shit, because what are you afraid of? What is the point in not fully locking in on this shit? I mean, I'm now trading full time, I've made multiple six figures from this shit, and the absolute worst 1 in a million case scenario is that somehow my strategy that's worked for the past 30 plus years stops working, somehow, so I have to get a normal job. That is my absolute worst case scenario, and that's what people consider safer. That's what like most people are doing, but that is like the bottom choice. If this stops working for me or it stops working for you, you go and get a job like anybody else. That's the normal route most people take. So what's the point in not going all in on this shit? I get the world has to go around. We love and appreciate everyone who does those jobs, but it's not me, and I know it's not you. And I'm sure that's where a lot of you are at right now. So what is the risk? Is there anything safe about working 9 to 5 your whole life? Is there anything fulfilling? Do you get to experience everything you want to? Do you have the time you want to spend with family, with friends? Because if trading is genuinely your path forward, then you need to take it seriously. You can't half-ass your way into a job that only 5% of people get into. You have to work harder than them. You have to put in the work that they're not. And now that everyone that's not taking this shit seriously has clicked off the video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to run this business. And if you miss any part of this, then you'll be falling behind people that have watched this far that are actually taking action. And first things first, make a trading plan. Not in your head, write it down. Map out everything you're looking for. Before session, during session, what your setup looks like, what needs to happen before your trade, what you're risking. Because if it's not written down, then it doesn't actually exist. You wouldn't open a business without knowing what you're selling or who you're selling it to. And after taking some trades following your plan, you need to journal every single one of them. You're not expected to be profitable immediately, so you need to track every single win and every single loss. Nothing is more important than another thing. You don't just track your losses so you can gather data on them, so you can figure out what's not working. You need to track every single bit so you can see what is and what isn't working out for you. Because your edge isn't just a feeling, it's a pattern in every single trade you take, every single piece of data that you gather. And you can't see a pattern if you're not collecting data. Traders that are actually profitable, they'll know what their win rate is by the end of the year. They'll know their average risk to reward. They know exactly which setups work the most, they'll know exactly which ones don't. Not because they're smarter than you, just because they have data. And finally, you just need to debrief. You just need to actually look back at your trades at the end of the week, even at the end of every day if you want, and be brutally honest with yourself about what you did good and what you did bad. You need to write it down, or even make a video on it. That's what I used to do. I would start recording, so I had to admit in front of everyone how shittly I traded. And all you need to do with that is make one adjustment going forward. That is all, just one adjustment, because that compounding of small improvements is what separates people who actually make it versus those who are still searching for a strategy multiple years later. And from that, you now know how to run an entire business by yourself. There is no other part except execution and just doing it over and over again for as long as this insane opportunity exists for us. And I say that because there is no better time. Prop firm capital, stable markets, there's not even an election for another like 4 years or whatever. So if you actually take this seriously right now, you can make it to exactly where you want to be in fucking record time, to be honest. And I'm saying this because I was in your position. I was losing capital. I was watching so many videos. I felt like everything was right, but I was still making it nowhere. And it didn't change because I was stressing over what prop firm I'm using. It wasn't changed because market conditions were suddenly crazy. It changed because I consistently treated it like a business. I just got away from the brain rot and actually started treating it like the business it is. Which is why I'm begging you, and I don't use that word lightly, to take trading seriously. Because people that make it in this industry aren't necessarily the smartest people, they're just the ones that actually treat it like a profession, like a real investor. No matter how boring it gets, trading is a boring game. Even when you're losing and it feels like nothing's working, you have to continue. You have to keep running the business. And here's what I want you to do right now. Not tomorrow, not after your next challenge. Right now, I need you to write down one thing that you are doing in your trading that a business would never do. One thing. Maybe it's moving your stop loss. Maybe it's not journaling and gathering data. Maybe it's just trading without an actual written plan. But write it down and commit to cutting it out. And that one change done consistently will mean more than any of these bullshit things that you are seeing online these days. You know what to do, so don't pretend you don't. Lock the fuck in and don't fall behind anybody else watching this video.